Somebody help! We're lost. I'm lost in the mountains. It's scary. I don't know which way to go. I think I got taken out into the middle of the mountains last night. I don't know where to go. Thank goodness I have my Daisy. Daisy, how are we gonna find our way back? Oh! Alright. What's up with y'all? We just chilling in the mountains. I really thought I was lost there. Thank goodness for the Daisy. Does she got a stick? Oh yeah, she got a good old stick right there. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look at this beautiful spot, yo. We got the river over here. Thank God I got some coffee. Nice. What's up, everyone? It's a little bit on the rainy side. Thank God we're not lost, though. This is so therapeutic. For those that try to push therapy, yo, I'm telling you, that's a waste. This is therapy. This is therapy. The longer you spend out here, the better you'll get. So I don't know when I'm going to upload this, but I don't have any service out here, which is great. No service means no internet. Alright, peace and love, y'all.